ka program ka ba ay kerteng ka a Magnificence Meghalaya version 8,000 lai puar lapan long happy e sangma sport complex Tura bankan mauburam ya ka jingda prasnem jong ka Sorkar MDA ha Meghalaya. Hagani ka jingyalang lawan ni Shimbenta da umintri rangba ka jila ukongrat ki sangma ki simbut mentri rangba persdun tingsong bat sneo bhalang dhar Speaker Assembly Thomas E sangma tingkat bat shibun ki mentri Sorkar bat ki MLA. Habakren ha ka jingyalang umintri rangba ka jila ula kado ya ka jingya lenti prasnem jong ka Sorkar bat ula pen paru ya ka jingjob ki bakongsan ha ki roi ki par jong ka jingte kum ka surang ka school bat ka hospital. Ula ay khubleiru ya ki pajba jong ka Meghalaya na ka benta ka jingkershan ka bala ay lenter ya ka Sorkar.
That is what drives this government. I asked Deputy CM Bapas Jingsynshar that you have been in so many governments before. What do you think is different? And is it different? Is it better or worse? And of course we all know he just spoke. He said that it's very different because a lot of things are being done. A lot of development is being done. But then he added at the end to say that while we're doing all of this, the best part about our government is that we all enjoy what we're doing. For us to go through the journey of the last 8 years. But it is the blessings from above, the love of the people, the support of our citizens, because of which we were able to overcome most of the challenges that were there in the last 8 years. On Meghalaya Day this year, I have received a letter from the Honorable Prime Minister of India. Apart from congratulating the state on its statehood day, he